This week's challenge is to make your own snack mix.
So making your own snack mix can be less expensive, and then you can customize all the ingredients that go in there as well. And one of our new favorite ingredients to add to making your own snack mix are these Triscuit wheat berry clusters.
Yes.
So they're made with roasted wheat berries, so whole grain, but then they also add in some dried fruit for a touch of sweetness, and then nuts as well.
I love this. It would be great as its own snack mix, but also as an ingredient in your own too.
Yeah, so let's add it to our own snack mix that we're going to make today. Some other ideas to add to your snack mix would be things like cereal. So using more of an unsweetened cereal or a lightly sweetened cereal.
Sure.
We've got pumpkin seeds here, so adding in different seeds and nuts to add in a little bit of protein and a dose of heart-healthy fats as well.
Yum.
And then some popcorn. So this is just some tender white plain popcorn. Again, adding some of that crunch, another whole grain, so hopefully keep us full. And then dried fruit as well. So just a touch of sweetness, adding in some of those fruits. So the great thing about the snack mix is that you can add in all your favorite ingredients. So good luck, have fun, and we'll see you next week.